In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to a Klaviyo email quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to engage your audience more effectively or simply add a dynamic touch to your communication strategy, embedding a video can be a game changer. Let's dive into this straightforward process together. First off, the essential step is to get the URL of the video you want to add. This video can be hosted on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Vimeo, or any other video hosting service you prefer. So head over to your chosen platform, find the video that fits the message you want to convey, and copy its URL. This will serve as the key link between your email content and your video. Once you've got your link ready, it's time to move over to Klaviyo. Go ahead and log into your Klaviyo account using your credentials. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard where all the magic happens in tailoring your marketing emails. Next, you're going to navigate to the content section of Klaviyo. This is where you keep all your email designs and templates ready to go. Once there, look for the templates section. Click on it to access your library of email templates and choose the one you want to edit by opening it and selecting the option to edit template. With your template open, the task is to bring a video block into your email. Find the video block in the options, which are usually available on the sidebar, and simply drag it into the designated area of your email where you'd like the video to appear. It's quite an intuitive process that allows for a lot of flexibility in design. Now, paste that video URL you copied earlier into the video URL field that appears once you've placed your video block. This particular step links your email to the video, making sure your recipients can watch it with just one click. Next, let's focus on the video's thumbnail. If you're using a video from YouTube, Klaviyo usually detects the thumbnail automatically. A quick heads up though, this automatic detection feature doesn't apply to YouTube Shorts, only standard videos. Should your video be hosted elsewhere, you'll need to click on Select Image to upload a custom thumbnail, enhancing the visual appeal of your video in the email. Following this, take a moment to adjust the appearance of the video block. You can toggle the play button on or off depending on how you want it to look, and adjust the padding to ensure the block fits perfectly within your email's layout. Finally, consider the end user experience. When recipients open your email, they'll see an image that resembles a video player. Upon clicking it, they'll be directed to a web page where the video will seamlessly play, providing them with immediate engagement opportunities. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a video into your Klaviyo email. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and remember, adding videos is a powerful way to enhance your emails and engage your audience effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next guide.